With time and scrap and not much else, guess what you can build? You can build a gate. Scrap boards from a deck, chicken wire, staples, and there you go. You got it. This is an older video. I just found it on a drive and I thought I'd upload it. Um, it's probably from about 10 years ago. I don't know why I did it. I thought it was interesting that I was making this gate. As you can see, I have an older skill saw. Like I said, it's 10 years ago. It's a long time ago. Uh, yeah, it's kind of funny now. Got that old skill saw. I have a cordless DeWalt now. Yard has changed quite a bit. That's a Ford F-150 I don't have any longer. Yeah, lots of tools. I love those boots I was wearing. I wish I could find another pair like that. Yeah, that was quite a while ago. Now, I don't use that square anymore. I grew up using a large square like that. So, I don't know. A lot you can do with a big square like that. A lot you can do with a small speed square too. Yeah, I helped a friend out. He was putting up a new deck. He said, come take my old deck if you want the boards. So I went and got them. Some of them are pretty warped, but you can work around that. Yeah, it must have been pretty early in the spring. I don't remember quite when I did it. I know it was about 10 years ago. Maybe more than 10 years ago. There's trees now where that video was done. Yeah. Huh. That gate is still up. Um, it's been a good gate. The thing is now the post that it's attached to. Somebody hit it with a truck, so now I gotta take that gate off and dig in a new post and reattach the gate. I might do it different. Maybe I'll use more concrete or something, or I don't know, use a different post rather than a railroad tie. Yeah, I didn't have enough screws, so I used both nails and screws. That was probably the most expensive thing, was the screws. All the rest of it was free. I had the chicken wire laying around. And the staples I got from somewhere where I undid something. Yeah. It's really funny looking back at that. I loved that cap. I got rid of it. Got too dirty. You can't really wash a cap over. They just wash a cap and reuse them. They just fall apart. So, but yeah, that was a nice cap. Yeah, you know, I really don't like filming myself. It's not that I'm shy. I just hate being the center of attention. It's probably because both my parents were from the greatest generation and they were like that, so I kind of got that. I had older parents and they were very humble, and you don't like to draw a lot of attention to yourself, and they kind of taught that. But here I am. I'm kind of nostalgic looking back at this. This is so long ago. Look at that. I had an 18 volt DeWalt drill. I don't think you can get battery packs for those anymore. It worked fine, but yeah, that was one of the first ones that came out in 18 volt. I thought that was the greatest thing ever. 18 volts of power. Oh, wow. They had the smaller ones before that. I don't remember what those size were, but the 18 volt was pretty good. You know, yeah, you can see that board is warped. The whole gate's warped, but you can fix that. You can work past the warp. You can actually make it work for you. You know, it brings tension, and if you do it upright, it'll add strength, more rigidity. Put the brace in. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I like making gates. Uh, Using the chicken wire, I didn't have to use so much board, and that was a good thing too. There are so many boards. I can't talk tonight. But anyway, yeah, that skill saw. I still got that skill saw. It works great. I mainly use it on. I put a metal blade in it, and I use it for cutting up metal now. It's driving in staples makes me nuts. It's not like driving in a nail. They just want to go to one side or the other. You know. Yeah, that gate's going to last a long time. It's green treated decking. Pretty good gate. I just wanted to show this video that you can make do without very much. Um, yeah, I'm guessing that I didn't have much at the time, so, and I had some time to do it. So, yeah, it's, if you got stuff laying around, you can make do with it and make something. If you like this, subscribe, leave me a like. I'll put more out like this. Uh, Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I really do. You can watch other things, but if you watch this, I really appreciate it.